feel like you're more punctual than me, just because I feel like I forget loads of things.
Yeah, fair.
Probably me.
Yeah, I'd say you. I was going to say you. I was like, Emily.
Beth.
Yeah, me. I'm a bit headless.
I'm just going to go with Eve.
Okay. Yeah, I'm like range Billie Eilish because I went to
Oh
the
no,
concert.
actually,
Don't
actually I have the better playlist.
I listen to like techno, dancehall. I listen to country.
I'm more into like Olivia Dean, like kind of soul. I love Sam Fender.
I'm going to say you first. I'll just take it.
I don't even know your music.
don't
You don't
know
play
you
any
listen to.
music.
I don't know.
I'm probably the more that's on music more.
Yeah, Beth has better like taste for the whole group. I would say like.
Yeah, I do good like dad playlists.
Yeah, a lot of things. I like Kingfisher. I've been
Oh
listening
yeah,
to
I
that
love good
recently.
Amble, Kingfisher.
Yeah, I like that.
Who is quicker in fit?
Eve. She has a faster speed.
You're quicker than me. No, you're not. I know I'm not. You are.
Not even a question.
Beth's not slow, to be fair to her.
That's such a lie.
quick
I'm
turn of pace,
so slow.
Eve.
Are you putting yourself down?
No, she actually
She's younger
does
than
lift.
me. She's younger. Yeah.
You. Probably me.
Probably you.
No, I would say you do.
I'm probably even off across the board. You're probably better at swap.
That's a good question. I got needled there, so
Okay, I'm going to say Eve.
Yeah, it might be.
Me. Jeez.
Probably me.
Probably you.
We don't really, to be fair, the two
We're
of us
two
are
of us are
never
good.
really
Yeah, we're good. Touch wood.